Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. So today I want to talk to you about our TK-85 8-piece coax tool kit. So this kit's got everything you need to prep a cable for termination, and after it's terminated, it has a torque wrench in it that you can tighten your F connector fitting down to the proper spec. So I'll just take you through the tools that are in the kit. So first, we have our JIC 2288 8-inch diagonal cutter. Next, UST 125 coax cable stripper. So this stripper will do RG59, RG6, and also do RG11. Okay, moving on. We have our compression tool. This is the CT200. The neat thing with this is it has adjustment on it here, so you can adjust the throw of the compression tool so it can work on short F connector fitting as well as longer F connector fittings. The plunger in here is reversible, allowing it to work on BNC as well as RCA connectors, and the head rotates, allowing you to work on RG11 connectors as well. Next, we have our Sd61 screwdriver. This is a 6-in-1 screwdriver. So there's one blade in here that has a #1 Phillips screwdriver tip on it. Has a smaller flat blade screwdriver tip here, and we have #2 Phillips screwdriver tip and a larger, I believe it is 9/32 flat blade on it. So those are 4 screwdriver settings. It also has a 5/16 nut driver and a 1/4-inch nut driver on the end. Okay. We have our pocket toner for testing a cable after you put it together. Flashlight for general purpose use, and our TWAF 71630 torque wrench specifically for F connectors for tightening them down to 30 inch-pounds. Lastly, all packed into a nice pouch that's sturdy but very rugged and not very heavy. Belt clip on the back clips right onto your belt so you don't lose it, and can also be put into your backpack and just use as a way to keep all your coax tools nice and neat. So let me show you one more little feature. All tools in, turn it upside down, don't come out. So this is the TK-85 8-piece coax tool kit. Thanks for watching.